Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a Minecraft survival series. So, no cheats. Yeah, so we'll just be doing these. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay. I probably should have started this video when I was in the map, but whatever. 1%. 1%. Okay. We'll just be doing this until I get likes, because I need to eat. I can't afford food without likes. So yeah. Like the video. Oh my god, wow. This is lucky. Are you serious? Okay. What? This game is lagging and I've not got the worst computer in the world. Hi dude. Thanks. Wow. 8 cheese. Wow! I think a house was supposed to be here or something, but whatever. Yeah, so I kind of play this game a lot. Not really, because I'm not that much of a Minecraft nerd. Yeah, so I've already got what we're doing. I don't play this game 24/7, like some people. Is that? What is that? You guys see that? Oh. Yeah. Okay, nothing in the house. I'm trying to look for like one of their houses because I think they're some. Yeah, them. First, let me get all this saved out. I don't really know why I made a sword, because look at this. 4 attack damage, 7. That's the amount of damage a diamond sword does. Yes. I feel ripped off. Yeah, so kind of lucky I found them paints. We'll just be mining this for a while. Let me just do this. And this. And this. I'll just do that. Like, I try to get the most out of it I can. I do this really awkwardly, I don't know why. But yeah. What's up, water zombie? Oh, this is a pretty good house. How about no? What the? How did I? F? Oh wow. How do you hit with that though? Okay. Strip, don't block. Okay. Thanks for the apples. Me. How do I just swing it? Hold on. Maybe I could. Whatever. Let's get this done with. Nothing. I'm just gonna do this and then dig straight down. Don't get straight like everyone else that I play with. Okay, just check. Hold up, let me just do all this. These broken. Oh, I can't get copyrighted. Nothing. Why can't I find anything? Yeah. 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 Ha. 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 You know how to kill these guys? And then they hit you up here. You know how to kill these guys? So what you do, you wanna, it's like a hit and run situation. You wanna like, yeah, and then just go, ah. Ah! Okay. Goodbye, village. Ha. Let me just get 6, actually a lot more than 6 pieces. I want elephants to craft some thing. Right as I finish mining this cave, I might end the video. Like, end the video. Yay, cool. Oh, I was about to sneeze. It takes so long to mine with these trash pickaxes. Okay, if this doesn't hurry up, I'd like to soup. Jane. And Notch and everyone like that. Okay, after we search a different cave, I'll end the video. Because that wasn't a cave. Haha, pranked you so good. We just do this. We just do this. I should be good at Minecraft, not stupid. So, I'm back here. Oh. Sorry, vegetarians. I have to do this. Don't eat that! Mom. Shut up. Go mow on your own time. What the? Whoa! These broken records, it cuts you deep. Oh my gosh, I cannot sign. I will get copyright. Ow. Hurry, hurry, hurry. These broken records, it cuts you deep. And we start. This is my mini house. More my rather sleep on the couch. This is such a beautiful house. Richard the Big Bad Fox can cut this baby down. Was it cut or blue? Okay. You know what? I'm gonna end this video here. I'm sorry. But I'm gonna see you guys later. Okay? Hold on. Just before I go, I'll let you see me with some beauty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, see you guys later.